I use the video stabilization feature in CapCut. Now let's jump straight into the process. You can see that this video is too much shaky. Now I'm gonna use the feature of CapCut video stabilization in this video. For that, at the top right corner you can see this option of video. Click on it. Now scroll down. You can find this option of stabilize. Click on it. Now you will get 3 levels. Click on this drop down. Recommended, minimum cut and most stable. I'm gonna set it to minimum cut. And it is done. Now let's play the video. Now you can see that this video is more stable by applying this stabilization feature of the CapCut. In this way you can use this video stabilization feature of CapCut. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.